This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Pickleball box card. So I have already put my panel pieces on. I've glued my sentiment to the base piece. The side that we have our panels on, this is the front, this is the back. So I'm just going to center this right on the back of the card. I'm going to fold this card on the tabs. And glue these two pieces together. Put my finger right in that glue. I'm going to stand this up while I line it up because I want to make sure that I get it flush across the bottom so the card doesn't have trouble standing up when it's completed. Okay, this panel piece goes on the inside. You just want to eyeball this so that you have a border all the way around. And then this piece gets centered right along the bottom of the front. And this one goes right across here when we're done. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to pull in my pickleball. Fold on the tabs. Then bring in my racket. These are the handle grips. You line them up just below, or I should say in between those notches on the handle. And then your paddle boards are double layered. And you just want to get the border all the way around. Okay. So this is, I have ink all over my fingers. These are pretty quick and easy. The card is 5x7, so it's not too small to work with putting together, which I find helpful. And again, you just want to kind of eyeball your border all the way around. And then glue this into place. Okay, then you pull in your base and you take your back piece with your tabs out flat. And I'm going to put glue on the left side. You lay it flat against your card, and we're going back into this corner. And then we're gluing it into place. Then stand it up and do the same thing with the front layer. We're going to lay that down against the layer that's right behind it. Slide it into this corner. I should have done a better job with my color scheme here, but I really had a hard time finding colors that would go with pickleball. If anybody wants to leave me comments about what color schemes work well for pickleball, that would be great. I've never played, so I don't know. So now you're going to put glue on your two tabs, and you see that they cascade down. We're going to leave this side flat on the table and bring this side right here over to glue. Right into place. Fold it back the other way. And then we're going to close it up. Fold it back and forth. Force it to fold. And then and there is the pickleball box card. Thank you for joining me.